Johnny Depp is obviously furious with Amber Heard since she didn't accept full responsibility for the incident. Having said that, he also wants Amber no ill will play his song so he can go on. Therefore, he most likely doesn't want to be involved in the Australian court proceedings and would rather that she win the perjury case so that everything can get over with as quickly as possible. Trying to draw connections between the two sides of the argument in this theoretical video. He hates her on the one hand, but he also doesn't want to become involved, so it would be better if he just works to get the case dropped. Let's have a look at this tweet that explains what went down during the court proceedings. This user writes, "Baby's nap time here, so another quick read-through regarding juror. The juror panel list was sent to counsel, so they knew the age when conducting voir dire. So they did have an opportunity to question any juror who didn't look their listed age." This information actually proves that Amber's lawyer already knew this mistake prior to the trial, so if she already knew it, it shouldn't be a reason for a redo of the trial against Johnny Depp. A user replies to the original tweet saying, "This looks like relitigating the case that was tried in 6 weeks. I think they just want the press to play echo chamber." After 2 days of deliberation, a jury has returned its verdict in the defamation trial between Amber Heard and Johnny Depp. Heard defamed Depp 3 times in her 2018 Washington Post op-ed, while attorney Adam Waldman, acting on Depp's behalf, defamed her once in his 2020 Daily Mail article. The ruling comes to an end after 6 weeks of arduous testimony in the Fairfax County Courthouse in Virginia. This is the most recent development in a contentious court battle that started in 2016. Heard described herself in her op-ed as a victim of sexual assault whose career suffered when she accused a well-known Hollywood figure of being her abuser. She did not specifically mention Depp, but Depp maintained that most readers would have filled in the blank given how openly the actor's divorce played out and how crucial Heard's claims of domestic abuse were to the proceedings. Even though he had already seen some negative news at that point, he nonetheless filed a defamation lawsuit against Heard. She sued again after failing in her attempt to get the lawsuit dismissed. Below is a timeline of the current case and how they got here. Heard and Depp met while filming The Rum Diary, and they started dating in 2012. After he ended his 14-year relationship with Vanessa Paradis, and she ended hers with Tasya Van Ree. The stars wed at the beginning of 2015, and despite numerous claims to the contrary made by anonymous tabloid sources, Heard filed for divorce 15 months later. In a brief statement released to the media, Depp reacted to the news. Given the briefness of their marriage and the most recent and heartbreaking death of his mother, Johnny will not reply to any of the salacious false reports, gossip, misinformation, and lies about his personal life. Hopefully, the short marriage's breakup will be handled soon. Christy Dombrowski, Depp's older sister, and Dr. Laurel Anderson, a marriage counselor who assisted Heard and Depp in 2015, testified in front of the jury during the first week of the trial. Anderson said that she thought the pair engaged in what I regarded as mutual abuse, based on her work with them in a deposition that was recorded in February. What are your thoughts regarding these updates to the aftermath of the court trial between Heard and Johnny? Do share them in the comments below.